Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on time. So, welcome back to my channel. So, I just want to make a quick reaction video based on what many of us have known, and we have not spent time to actually dig deep on the issue of the lie from Nwayi, Ocha, and people like her. Some of you may say, "Oh, why is Ocha again?" Yes, why is Ocha again? Because she told us that she spoke with the PM, right? Now it happened that some people that are in her in my case, no, all right, have something to say about it, and I would like you to hear this audio. But before then, please like the video and tell me what you think about it. What is your take on that? Do you believe that she spoke with PM, or do you also think that there's nothing like that? There's this kind of mixed feelings about it, but some people actually said that it's AI. Some said that she don't. There's nothing. There's no message. Some said that they hold him ransom, like they have something against her, maybe her nude, anything like that. Never can tell. But to me, I don't think it's about nude. To me, this is my own opinion. I don't think it's about holding her nude and anything. I think the problem is illiteracy. Somebody who don't understand her left or right. She just believe that she think that she know everything, but she don't know anything. Some of you may have, like I said, that this kind of mixed feeling about it. So don't eat me raw for telling you my own opinion. You have your own opinion, right? You believe that somehow her nude is with some people. That is your own opinion. I respect you, and I'm not saying that it's not possible. I'm just telling you what I feel. Like I said, we all have our own opinion. So without to waste much of your time, I want you to listen to this because this audio may go a long way to help you to understand what has happened. Some people say that it's not no, she's this, she's that, but let us let me start from pay attention.
Biafrans that is listening to us, please, you people, everybody should wake up. This is a very strong message. Whoever that is listening to this woman, I pity you all. Why I said so? Most is our people in the homeland, okay? Because I know a lot of people in the homeland, some of them, they even pay money to go and charge their phone. After charging your phone, you will see buy data. And after buying the data, you will see come and sit down and waste your time to listen to this woman. For people in diaspora, okay, well, here in diaspora, they use Wi-Fi, which they pay monthly, and there is light 24/7. But your time matters a lot. Instead of you to use your time to do something useful, don't use it to listen to this woman because you get nothing from it. I am speaking to you all because I am one of the people in that, Tunoke zone, which we know the secret of this woman. But fall back, there is nothing like fall back because this whole thing started when she came out. We were in a meeting, Tunoke zone, when she said, I have got a message. I have got a message from my Obatobia, our peer. We asked her, which message did you get? If I will not call names of people that is in that committee, because we have Oduno Kizololo and we have the committee. In that committee, we have 12 in number. But that very day that this message came, I think we have 7 of us that we are in that meeting that very day. So we asked her, where did you get this message from? She said it's a secret. Okay, dear friends, when this thing happened, the whole thing came out. She was telling us that she got this message, it came from PM, direct to her. The following, immediately we finished the meeting, the following day, Sana Parawa started tweeting, telling her, come and deliver your message. Come and deliver the message that you got from PM. We now asked her, is it not the same message that you said PM gave you this message direct to you? How come Sana Parawa is one tweeting now that you come and deliver the message to Biafrans? Okay. After she came and delivered that message that particular day, we now called her back in a committee of Otuno Kesoro. We were asking her, how did you get this message? She refused to tell us. But after much and done, the and she tell us she spoke to PM in Zoom because we were telling her that this thing is AI. The voice message that you have, and if you receive any voice message from PM, we are 110% sure that this is AI. It's just because they want to use this thing to log you in. Please come back. How did you get this message? She has no option than to tell us in that committee for Tune of Israel that she spoke to PM. We said, how? She said she spoke to PM by Zoom. Okay, you spoke to PM with Zoom? Did you see PM? She said yes. If she doubts me or she comes to debunk it, I will call the names of all of us that was in that Zoom, in that particular day, the meeting. And I have the voice message. So let her not come out to say she wants to come and debunk because I have the voice message. And all of us were there in that meeting. She said she spoke to PM in a Zoom. We were like, okay, you didn't see PM? Did you see the face of PM? She said yes. She said yes. So, dear friends, whoever that is listening to this woman, please, if you are hearing my voice, everybody should debunk this woman and move away from her. Don't waste your time, don't waste your data, don't waste your energy to say you're listening to this woman. Because there is nothing true about her. I am telling you 110% you all, the fact and the figure, the truth about everything. Just the same thing I sent to Mazi Ambulayo. I sent a message regarding our brother, Mazi Chimotin, to what happened in that Israel. I sent you the message. If you have the time, please.
Yeah, we'll come for that one.
Yes.
We'll come for that one.
Yes. Because, to be honest, everything that this woman has been telling you people, dear friends, is lie. Lie upon lie. There is nothing truth about it.
Okay, you have listened to that. I want you to remember that before this AI, before this voice note, before hearing from PM, it had been rumored that this will happen. From one of them, even this year was one of the carrier of that news, saying that he got intel that they are working on AI, that he's waiting for them. And finally, the AI surfaced, and he's one that protecting that AI. This will tell you how bad people can be. Anyway, you have listened to the people who happen to be the members of, like the man likely said, that is where her secret lies. Because she believed that these are people that she can relate easily and share some things, some intels, and can raise money anytime, any day, which is okay. But the thing is that when you say you hear from PM, can she differentiate between AI and the real video? Because AI video, and AI voice, everything is possible now. So if there's a video also that someone shared to me yesterday of this new pope that our sister may be watching now. All right, I'm not analyzing. I don't want to analyze the video, but I told the person that this video that you sent to me is AI, and I cannot. When you listen to what Pope is saying there, you will stand. In fact, you will stand up and start clapping for Pope. The message that Pope say in that video. I'm not saying that that's what Pope said, but the video that I myself consider to be AI. If you see it, Pope was there reading some messages in the name that he's replying to Burkina Faso president. That he's trying to address Burkina Faso president. I don't know if Burkina Faso president wrote to Pope or something like that, but he's there addressing Burkina Faso president. When you watch that video, you will think that it is real. But once I watched it, I said this is AI, because one thing about AI video is that they will be speaking without any error. Like you will not see any pause, like now I'm talking, right? Sometimes maybe if I'm talking about just now I'm talking about Pope, and you can see that I switched on to, that's the real video. There's no way you talk smoothly for hours without, unless you have rehearsed that video over and over again. But the real video, real conversation, real one will be as raw as this, what I'm saying now. Not people will be reading anything without any a kind of Any human mistake, like normal mistake that human beings do, AI don't do that. That's one thing. So, but this white woman will not know. She don't know that, and you don't expect her to know that. I want to tell me your own take on this. This is for you to know how. When some people say that she have done more harm than good, believe you me, that's just the fact. And she keep on doing that. But what she's doing doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter because it can only matter if you take her serious. If you actually rely on her that she's this and that, you end up regretting it. You get the point. That's what I want to share with us this morning. And please, I want to hear from you on comment. You can see the connection from group of people who say they are wise people. They can only showcase their wiseness and their smartness on somebody who is unintelligent, somebody who is not smart, somebody who is not sound. I don't want to use the word educated because it depends on what you see as an educated person. But to me, somebody who is not reasonable, that's the word. Who because you can be reasonable without having acquired any education. You may have some senses, but this one is not reasonable, which means her problem is not about going to school. But as a human being, she don't have natural gift of reasoning. She don't have it. Only on things that is has to do with Arulana, then you see her blackmailing people, lying, and just like what Chemaka Jere said in one of his audio, which I would like to, play for you to hear before I end this broadcast. Before I end this video, let me just bring that video, that audio to you. I don't know where is that audio now, so that you can hear. I played this on our last stream, but I want to play it over and over again for you to know what they can do. Just a moment. So this audio you're about to watch now or listen to now is Vam Vam. Hear that. Oh yeah,
I love you guys. See you later tonight. People are gonna come. I got wax here. Somebody cut out all these places. Never on them saw these things. I called to say in the gym jingle. The gym jingle. So I know about the life I didn't play here. I called to say I was like jail. Honestly, I got really big a movie. I'm telling you why I had that first year also. Ya oga no sike. Away from where? Amanya kite poto na ho. I'm telling you. Una mana wanya had 21-year-old son. Somebody that her 21-year-old son woke up one day, walked out of her house. 2021 or 2022, thereabout. Her 21-year-old son walked out of her house and never returned. Till today, she doesn't know the whereabouts of that her son. That's how evil she is. Your son that you brought up gets to the age of over 20, takes his bag and walks away, never to come back.
This is just to tell you that even her own son don't want to associate with her, don't want to associate himself with her, just want to go away from her. You see the reason why she's doing it, because there's no man, grown up man will be with this woman, even the one that she gave birth to. According to what Ajere said, that because I don't trust any of that information. I don't trust Ajere. I don't trust Sia. I don't trust three of them. All right. I just want you to know this because some of us are still confused about the audio PM said. That's why you see some people say like the one patch appeared on my live broadcast. Started telling me that he said about a kind of insulting me, but there's something he said there. He said that that he can't wait when PM comes out and see my reaction and all that. Very, very fun that he will come after me, he said. But like I told him, you will end up, testing that thing that you are looking for. That's all I can say about it. So my people, tell me what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree that that is AI, or do you think that PM actually send message to her? That is a lie from Peter. That's not PM cannot PM that you know don't deal with questionable characters. So this when when Ogechuku Nkere, which is their ATM, and people like Vam Vam and Sana Barawa, Imam Madaba and rest of them are busy trying to relate to PM that this is what is going on and this is what is happening, trying to be relevant. They must have told PM about the role why he's playing. So all of a sudden, the PM is now calling her. Just imagine that PM have maybe, I'm just saying, because I know they also report other people to PM. So, of course, why must be one of them. After reporting her to PM, if I thought they have access to PM, I'm just trying to imagine, okay? Then this woman, PM have already know some of things according to what they told him. All of a sudden, PM now want to pass message to people, and he will say, okay, give me her number, let me send a message. Does it make sense to you? PM that you know can't do that. And she's not sound to dictate AI. She don't even know the AI. She only hear about AI. That's why she said that Pharmacist Diana, the I think Minister Secretary of Finance, I believe, USB government, that she's a hacker. That's how mad and crazy that our mama is a hacker. Can you imagine that? And she said again that the level of hatred that she have on her and all that is second to none. Who cares actually? Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it. Like I said, please make sure you like the video. Very, very important that you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I would like to hear from you. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.